Yep, here we are. We're kind of in the back now. We just pulled in. It's 2 lanes, and if you see the flags way off in the distance, that's where the actual restaurant is. They don't allow people to eat inside just yet, so that part of it has not opened. It's only drive-through. So I've never had Whataburger before. I'm gonna try it for the first time, and North Carolina has always had a Whataburger, but it's not the same company. They're entirely different. So recently, this Whataburger, the one that's expanding to other states and growing, filed a lawsuit against the Whataburger in North Carolina, which is pretty crazy because from what I understand and what I heard, they settled that dispute years ago, probably decades ago, and now they're raising it up again because they're coming to North Carolina soon. So hopefully they'll get that taken care of, because that would definitely hurt their reputation by doing that. Because the Whataburger in North Carolina was family owned, and I think there's like 13 locations, could be a little bit more. I'm not quite sure how many North Carolina franchises there are of Whataburger, our version of it anyway. And I'll have to take you there and try that sometime, because they have really good hamburgers too. And it is all outside eating mostly. You sit in your car, they bring it to you. But yeah, we're gonna try out some Whataburger. So right now it is 12:45. We're gonna see how long it takes until I can get my burger. Yeah, the line hasn't moved. Yeah, it's been a few minutes since I last was on here. So yeah, we'll start moving pretty quick, pretty soon, hopefully. Now, I usually don't do this. I don't wait in line, especially a line like this, but it's the grand opening of Whataburger in Boiling Springs. It's the first one in this area. So what the heck, you know, might as well try the burger for the first time, right? So we go down this way, then it zigzags around back over there to, but it looks like they are walking around taking orders as well. So we'll get there eventually, slowly but surely we're moving. I also wanted to add that make sure you look at the menu online. You know, get your phone, look at Whataburger, go to their menu, and look at what you want there. Because I'm noticing some people are stopping and getting the menu from the person taking the orders from you. It's probably smarter to go ahead and just look at what you want online. Get on your phone, like right here, the barcode, the hashtag right here. You can scan it, go right to their menu, and look what you want. Be ready to give their order, you know, your order to them, so to make it a lot quicker. And there's the hashtag right there that you can scan, and they've got 2 of them. They have this one, and then they have one right next to that Jeep there. And that's the new Target right there in Boiling Springs, South Carolina. That looks fancy. Yeah, a lot different. Must be the new look for Target. What do you think, dude? Yeah, we're about to try some Whataburger. You probably already had some when you were living out west.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
I think that's pretty cool right there with that church steeple hanging over the Whataburger. And I didn't realize Whataburger is open 24 hours a day. And that line just keeps on growing. Yeah, that's where we were, way over there. And we're almost here, about to order. And here we are. They should have us in a couple minutes or so. But typically you're going to order these little booths right here, little kiosks right there is where you're going to typically order. But since they're so busy, they got on either side, they get 2 people taking your orders. So we finally just placed our order. We got the double meat burger, no cheese. Comes with the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, all that good stuff, and like mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, stuff like that. I didn't order any condiments. I get the meal, so it's going to include the fries, but I also added the onion rings. So I want to try their onion rings as well, and also bought a sweet tea. So yeah, we're going to test it out, see how it tastes, and I'm getting kind of hungry. So I got mine, I'm ready to eat. I just got to wait till these 2 cars move in front of us. They're still waiting for all their stuff. They're bringing it out, but no big deal. Yeah, but this is it right here. So we found this little park. We're going to eat some Whataburger. Try it out. There's my big old tea. Here's a big old bag. All right, so let me open it up, and we'll start in just a second. So here's the medium fries. They look good. And here are the medium onion rings. And here's the burger. Let me open that up. Okay, and here is the burger here. Yes, a double meat. They call it a double meat, so it's double patties. And it's got everything I wanted on there. Yeah, look at that. Tomatoes, pickles, lettuce, ketchup, mustard. It's a pretty, there's my hand. All right, so my hand's pretty good size. That's a pretty good size burger. Okay, and like you saw where I posted, I don't like, video. I don't want to video myself eating because that can be kind of gross sometimes. And people can use that in other videos. You don't want to do that. So I'm going to take my first bite on here, and I might show myself a little bit of munching, but not biting down. But yeah, I'm going to give it my first try. Okay, for my first impressions on the first bite, it's a burger. Okay, there's a lot of hype to these burgers. Tell you what, I really like the smash burger, the Shake Shack burgers, a lot better. Just more flavor. The Shake Shack has a lot more flavor than the Whataburger, and I like the Carolina Whataburger. I feel like better than this burger. I mean, I'm gonna finish it all. I mean, it looks really good, and the fries are fries. You know, let me try the onion ring. And again, it's an average onion ring. It's just an onion ring. You know, again, I'm gonna eat them all, of course. Trying to think where I've had a better onion ring. Probably Whataburger, the Carolina Whataburger, and also, which is not around anymore, but the Zach's Burgers, which I loved in Charlotte, they're not there anymore. Their onion rings were phenomenal, and even Zach's hamburger beats this burger. Yeah, this is, to me, it's just a very average burger. Nothing to write home about. They're coming to Charlotte. There's a huge line. Just a little bit disappointed. There's a lot of hype to it. The tea's good. Sweet tea's really good. But there's a lot of hype to this burger. I mean, to me, it's an average burger. I mean, it's better than your fast food burgers, your regular fast food burgers. But when it comes to the Carolina Whataburger location, the burger is much better. Zach's blows this away. And Shake Shack, you know. And I haven't tried In-N-Out. That's a West Coast thing. Hopefully, I doubt if In-N-Out will ever be on the East Coast. You never know. Could happen. But Shake Shack burgers are phenomenal. They definitely rip up the Whataburger. And I wanted to show you the patties. They are kind of a thin patty. They're not homemade patties. They're not like they're flattened there at the restaurant. You know, they're probably frozen and defrosted and cooked and blah blah blah. But yeah, they're pretty thin patties. Just an average bun, nothing special about it. But I'll tell you this though, I'd eat another Whataburger from Whataburger, but I wouldn't wait half hour in a drive-thru for them again. And there's my food review. I have devoured the hamburger. I mean, it was good, but let me give you my honest opinion on this burger. So, okay, it was a good burger. I mean, I liked it, and you know, it's if they weren't busy and I needed a burger and I was craving one, I would definitely stop by Whataburger. But again, I wouldn't be in line for a half hour in the drive-thru for this burger. Believe it or not, this burger reminds me a lot of Wendy's. So I had to do this. We're at a Wendy's, and I just wanted to compare the burger. Yeah, this is a Wendy's burger, which I love. Look how big the patties are compared to the Whataburger. Yeah, good old Wendy's burger. No, Wendy's burger, and I love Wendy's burgers. They're good. But the flavoring and the patties themselves, it tastes a lot like Wendy's. Another better burger, I think, this is me personally, is Culver's. I like the Culver burgers better than this one. So, yeah, if you put a Whataburger next to a Culver's, I would probably choose Culver's. But that, again, that's my opinion. Now, there's people who would they love Whataburger. They envy it. They'll go out of their way to get a Whataburger, which is fine. But I wouldn't go out of the way for the Whataburger. So, yeah, definitely, I would. If you see a Shake Shack, go to Shake Shack. I've never tried the In-N-Out burger, that's something down the road, and I've heard great things about that. Hopefully it'll live up to its hype as well. But that's really it. And yeah, if you see it, give it a try. You might like it more than I do, but that's really about it. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Hope you enjoyed this little food review. Yeah, it was a good time. And you guys take care. Bye-bye.